Africa's landscapes are vital to the planet's future. They store carbon, shelter biodiversity, and sustain millions of people. Deforestation, overgrazing, climate shocks, and widespread degradation are steadily eroding the natural foundations that support life, livelihoods, and ecological stability. Based in South Africa, NatCarbon Africa is a specialized project execution company committed to restoring ecosystems, tackling climate change, and delivering tangible benefits for both people and the planet. We offer full-spectrum services across the project lifecycle, from identifying and designing viable restoration opportunities to implementing and managing them over the long term. Our approach is built on partnerships, and we work closely with landowners, local communities, global investors, project developers, scientists, and technical experts to ensure that our projects are inclusive, effective, and deeply rooted in local realities. Scale is central to our philosophy. The environmental challenges we face demand solutions at landscape level designed to generate measurable impact for climate, biodiversity, and communities alike. Our work is powered by innovation, drawing on technology like drones, digital monitoring tools, and robust monitoring, reporting, and verification systems to ensure that what we plant, track, and protect can be independently verified and transparently reported. From running high-capacity commercial nurseries and managing remote field teams, to coordinating transport and supply chains across vast areas, we keep large-scale operations moving forward. We create meaningful jobs through building skills and helping local communities to gain lasting value from restoration. And we are bringing degraded ecosystems back to life by reintroducing native plant species, protecting biodiversity, and helping natural systems function again. We adhere to rigorous international carbon standards and produce data-driven results that build trust with all stakeholders. By aligning environmental outcomes with financial returns, we are helping unlock long-term investment in Africa's natural capital.